Developing controls in Qt C++. Select New File or Project from File menu and select Qt Widgets Application Template. In the Introduction and Project Location dialog, give a meaningful name to the application and browse location. Give a name for the class and leave all other fields as default. This class represents the main window of the application. The header file, source file and form file fields are automatically updated to match the name of the class. Project created will contain these files. Go to the UI file. Execute the project. Now design the user interface. Drag and drop the required widgets into the form. In the Properties pane of the selected object, we can modify the widget name and other properties. Here text edits are added to enter username and password. Add a push button widget for login. Right-click on the button. Select Go to Slot and add signal for clicked. Add two string variables username and password and initialize them with specific values. For example, here username and password are initialized with declaration of variables. Write the code to compare and verify these values with the values entered through the text box using if-else statements. Queue message box is used to display a primary text to alert the user to a situation. Execute the program and verify the result. Right-click on the project to add a new form class. Choose a Qt Designer form class. Select a template from the available template. Here I use a dialog without buttons template. Name the form. Here we will create a user form which can be accessed when a user is successfully logged in. A new form is created with its CPP, UI and header files. Now design the user interface for the new form. Right-click on the button. Select Go to slot and add signal for clicked. Execute and save the project. Include the header file for logout page. Now write the code to redirect the control into the logout page here. Execute the program and verify the result. Go to the click event of the logout button in the logout form. This code closes the form. Execute the program and verify the result. Now we will modify the code so that username entered in the text box username is initialized as username and password. Again, execute the program and verify the output.